So here we are going to learn left shift. Okay, it moves towards the left directions, and that is similar to the right shift, but right shift moves towards the right and left shift moves towards the left. So how it is going to be work? Let's see through example. So first of all, I am show you some example like numeric x equal to suppose 0 0 1 0, that is a 2, that is numeric form is 2. Okay, and it returns when it is right shift, sorry, left shift, not right shift, left shift to 2, and it returns the, what is the result? Left shift to, you added the number of zeros on the right side of the particular binary bit. How? Because here how many bits are going to be shift towards the left side? That is 2. So here added 2 bits here. So 0 0 1 0 0 0. So here result is going to be written as a 8. Yes, as a 8. So let's see through an example. Print, not print, first x equal to 2, sorry, not yes 2, then print, then x left shift 2. Yes, return 8. You understand how? Because only simple added 2 zeros on the right side of that particular binary. Means this calculation is by you. Okay, it's a manual calculation. It is computer do this the same thing which I am going to tell you through in manual direction. Computer doing the same thing. Okay, you have to understand only how it is going to work internally. Then now second, x equal to 6, then print x, then 2. Okay, so what is going to be written? X6 means how? So here binary form of x, here binary form of x equal to 0 1 1 0, which is a binary form of x, shifting 2. Okay, that is binary format is a 6, that is left shift 2, and it returns you 0 1 1 0 0 0. Okay, so this is the return. So 0 1 2 3 4, 3 means 8, 4 means 16, 16 8, that is a 24. Your return is 24. So let's see, let's return 24 or not. Yes, simple, only add 2 zeros after right side of the binary form of that particular numeric data, then you going to the right result. That's it. So I will show you another example as x equal to 0 1 1 1, then this is the 7, then right shift, this is the right shift 2, it returns what is 0 1 1 1 0 0, it returns 0 1 2 3 4 6 24, then 2 2 4 28. Okay, let's see what is the result. X equal to that's a 7, print x left shift 2. You take any shifting, but you have to understand properly. I will take in here, that is 2, only 2 numerical value, because you understand properly, that's why I am taken here very small shifting digit, that's it, true. Okay, you understand? If you have any doubt, go to the comment box, type there, and please like and share this video. Click on the bell icon. When I am going to upload any future videos, you get the notifications, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button. Thank you.